Marilyn, you're common cold. Okay.
Okay.
Well.
Yeah.
Yeah. We are.
Right now we are
doing our homework.
Yeah.
To the
No.
exam. We are not doing.
Right now we're reading up to the examination in Danish. Well, we have to read all this.
And all this.
And all this.
And all this. And all this. And all this. And all this. And all this. And
Can we get
that's
some
very
sympathy?
much. Har du ikke noget chokolade eller sådan noget?
Sorry, pal. We are out. She doesn't have any chocolate. You have no idea how boring this is. You just want to scream and you just want to shout and you just want to run away. Don't fool with me now. I'm serious. And we both look like shit. Because, well, that's just how we look. Well, here are Sarah working on her computer.
Yes.
And, well, I don't know what to say. Well, bye. Say bye.
Goodbye.
Monroe. This is Monroe. Say bye, Monroe.
Bye, Monroe. Nah. No. Bye, Marilyn.
Yeah, bye, Monroe.